We live in the digital era, where life without a mobile phone or social media is unimaginable. Businesses today are catering to the Insta generation, whose attention span is the length of a Snapchat story and whose buying decisions are influenced by the opinion of the people and the likes on Facebook. For the Generation X business owners, the pressure to remain updated to be appealing to today's customer is immense. Customers today are interested in businesses with a personality, one that has a 5-star rating, a community of followers on social media, and local peer recommended products and services. Meanwhile, small local businesses can only cater by gaining digital literacy, adopting time and economically efficient strategies, and using technology tools to track, manage, and engage their customers. We know that small businesses are the backbone of economic growth in developing countries. Let's take the case of Kenya, a country whose 5 cities form the top 5 slots of the 10 of the fastest growing cities of the sub-Saharan region, has the world's most successful mobile payment system, and whose e-commerce market is estimated to be $47 million. Kenya's current population is 48 million, growing at 2.4% annually, with 70% of its population being under 30 years of age. 77.9% of all industries are in the informal sector and has a steadily growing GDP of 5.8%. The most interesting information perhaps is that 22% of all media consumption is digital, but currently accounts for only 4% of total advertising spend. The recent growth in the living standards of the common public has placed higher expectations on the industries to deliver more better. Local business owners in Kenya, such as Alice, are in need of effective and affordable digital advertising services to attract and cater to the young, urban, tech-savvy millennial customers like Eric, whose needs are being underserved due to lack of access to reliable information. We want to bridge this gap. We want to be the platform that transforms how small businesses market themselves and how customers find what they need locally.
Hi, I'm Solomon, CEO of Tafuta. Tafuta is a hyper-local search service to help find professionals and businesses in Kenya, because the growth of a business doesn't just end with a listing. For users, it is Yelp-like, help to find rated and reviewed local businesses, services, products, and professionals such as lawyers and accountants in the locality. For business owners, it provides an online presence through access to business analytics, CRM tools, targeted advertising, and a social network-like platform for B2B and B2C operations.
We want Tafuta to be part of everyday life of people in Kenya. We plan to launch our operations in the capital city, Nairobi. Along with growing to be a prominent startup hub in Africa, Nairobi is a befitting launchpad for Tafuta, since 96.6% of the 4 million population are mobile phone users. On top of this, Nairobi has a steadily growing youth population, and according to recent economic statistics, the average household income has grown to $3,500. The most popular e-commerce platforms in Kenya are online marketplaces such as Jumia, Biashara, and Pigiami. However, we are not a marketplace. We are a hyper-local search service to find local businesses and professionals in your locality. Nairobi currently has several online directories such as the oldest popular Yellow Pages Kenya, InfoMobi, and Business Listings being the major players. These platforms provide features such as verified businesses, local-based listings, social media share options, and multi-category listings. However, they have limited options for customer engagements, listing of services, and accessibility to business analytics. Tafuta will provide CRM tools, enhanced user interface, and integrate big data analytics to offer business intelligence to businesses and create a social network-like platform for businesses and customers to interact better.
Hi, I'm Ewan, Chief Technology Officer of Tafuta. Tafuta is an app and web-based platform. During Phase 1 of operations, we plan to create multiple user versions and test them amongst potential customers. During Phase 2, plan to launch the beta version of the app for further testing and to analyse any data collection patterns. In the next phase, we look to launch the fully developed version of the app across various platforms. During this phase, we will look to use data collection using a cloud-based storage and eventually set up big data analytics wing.
This is how the app would work. There are two different sign-up options for a user and a business owner. The user can sign up either through mobile number, email, or through social media accounts. Upon login, the user homepage displays various business categories, a feed consisting of offers or news updates from businesses the user follows, and a list of recommended businesses based on their search history. Say the user chooses to look for a hairdresser nearby. It shows a list of top-rated local hairdressers with their information. The user can find more details such as location, photos, posts, reviews on their profile, and also check for deals or offers by the business. On the other hand, any business can list themselves for free on the platform by signing up either through mobile number or email. This leads to the profile creation page. The location of the business pops up automatically and fills in information about the business. The businesses can also add links to all their social media accounts as well. The businesses can upgrade to bronze, silver, or gold packages for additional features for a monthly subscription fee ranging from $1,299 to $7,999 Kenyan shillings. The basic listing contains contact information, a few photos, and links to their social media accounts. A bronze listing, in addition to the above, has access to business analytics and they can also respond to reviews. The silver listing will be a featured listing with additional options such as the action buttons and a wall to share posts, news, blogs, additional photos and videos with customer relation management tools. The gold package can post banner ads, feature videos in the profile, and most importantly will gain vital business intelligence alerts from the platform to advertise specifically to targeted customers or capitalise on possible avenues for their business.
Hi, I'm Shruti. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Tafuta. Let's discuss product timeline. Our product development, launch and operations have been planned in 5 phases. Phase 1 and Phase 2 are focused on app development and testing. Along with this, we are focusing on building our database of verified listings and analyze user activity to understand the data collection patterns. Our first milestone will be validation of product and market after extensive testing. This is followed by Phase 3, which marks the official launch of Tafuta. We would also engage in collection and storage of big data. Our focus is to convert free listing to paid versions with deployment or sales team. In Phase 4, we will set up a big data analytics wing to study, analyze and generate business intelligence reports to improve the operations of the app, provide insights to businesses on the platform and share vital statistics with governmental agencies for better policy making and with external organizations for business development and public welfare projects. Based on the data obtained, we would explore further opportunities to create more categories or specialized platforms within Tafuta. We would also focus on expanding our operations beyond Nairobi to other cities of Kenya and prominent cities of Africa. Our current marketing plan is focused on 2 phases, the pre-launch phase and the post-launch phase. In the run-up to the launch, our strategies are targeted around creating buzz and interest among potential customers and industry watchers. We will do so by launching a teaser website, release beta version to targeted users for review, use word-of-mouth advertising and influencers, content marketing through active blogging, social media shares, email marketing, and promo videos to keep the users engaged. Post-launch of the app, our focus is to maintain a press kit with a great PR campaign, increase blogging, sharing posts, stay active on social media, conduct App Store and search engine optimization, launch product demo and promotion videos, sponsor select events and online ads. In the long term, with increased revenue, a part of our funds will be dedicated for paid promotion through several advertising channels: Google, Facebook, print media, radio and television. The United Nations declared 17 Sustainable Development Goals to make the world a better place. As aspiring entrepreneurs, we want to do our bit to realize these goals. We are a young, dynamic team of 4 with expertise in market analytics, technology, and finance, and we believe we have the caliber and passion to make a difference with our product Tafuta. Our big vision is to provide a business infrastructure to small local businesses in Kenya who form a part of large informal sector and thus curb high employment rates and promote the Kenyan economy. How do we achieve this? On the surface level, Tafuta is a simple search service with numerous customers and businesses interacting on the platform. But this also gives an immense opportunity to mine huge amounts of data. Let's say the Kenyan government wants to set up high-tech hospitals and healthcare facilities across strategic locations in Kenya. The search results obtained on Tafuta on doctors, nurses, ambulance, medical facilities, pharmacies, and so on provides immense information with respect to socio-economic conditions, transportation facilities, population, and demographics for Kenyan government to understand the need for a hospital or a primary health center in a specific locality in Kenya. And this is just one of the million ways that data can help to improve the life of people in Kenya.
Hi, I'm Nitish, the CFO of Tafuta. As investors, you would be interested in knowing how we are generating revenue. But more importantly, you will be more interested in knowing how we are spending money. So, let's talk about numbers.
We are raising funds in 3 rounds based on our projections and product timeline. The 4 founders are bootstrapping $11,500, and for the seed funding, we are seeking $15,500 at the time of product launch. To sustain our operations over the next 12 months, we are seeking second round of funding of $150,000 after product launch. We have projected a revenue generation of $30,000 for these 12 months. In the next year, we plan to launch our data analytics wing, for which we need an infusion of $200,000. We project a revenue generation of $100,000 for that current year. In the following year, we would be reaching our break-even at 2 years and 7 months with a revenue projection of $500,000. Presently, the financial model shows sufficient funds for our next scale of operations. We as a team have consciously planned a sustainable growth roadmap to avoid the necessity to raise external funds.
In the long term, Tafuta will function more than a search service by utilizing the data obtained to the platform about consumer behavior, business operations, and lifestyle trends to enable efficient resource utilization within the platform, implementation of well-framed policies, and insights to businesses beyond the platform for the holistic development of the economy of Kenya.